Hello friends, we are going to be using this masking tape washi that I made from paper scraps. There is a reel or a video if you're interested in that. And I'm just going to take one of the pieces and I'm going to stick it directly in my altered book art journal. And we're going to create a very simple page, also using paper scraps too, but longer ones. So I'm just going to put that right in the middle. I did not glue down that brown piece of paper very well, so I'm going to add a little bit of glue to that, and then we're going to continue on. So I'm going to give that a little press, and then I cut out these strips of painted paper in neutral colors for my stash, and I'm going to glue those right on the side, and they're imperfect strips, but I just think that this looks so great as a layout, so that's what I'm going to do. And I love just using strips of paper. There's so many cool things that you can do. And I think it goes beautifully with that masking tape that we collaged with the paper scraps. It looks so cool. And I'm so glad that some of that tape is exposed. So I'm just going to add one more piece on the right side. And I'm going to give that a press. And then I'm going to go through my stash and see if I can find a word or some kind of text or something like that to add to it. So I have this is a printable, and I'm just going to pick a word to add to it. And I love having like components like this, like with the masking tape and the painted paper and then these words. You can just put a page together so quickly, which is so nice when you want to do something creative but you don't have a lot of energy. This was perfect for that. So I am going to glue this onto my page, and it says rooted in hope. So I'm just figuring out how I want to put it. And if you want, of course, you can add ink to it, do whatever feels right to you. And these are words, I think, from my Etsy store, a printable that I made, or it might be a freebie. I'm not sure, but I love the words on that sheet. And this is the last little bit of when I printed it. So I'm just going to glue that down. And then I decided to add a splatter. So I put a little bit of acrylic paint, and I'm going to use a fan brush and just comb through the bristles to create splatters. So this was a quick and easy page using the masking tape. A few of you guys wanted me to show you how I'm going to use it. I have a lot more ideas, so you'll definitely see more. But I really love how this turned out, and it was super, super quick too, which is always a great thing. And I love it against that background of the page. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy creating, friends. Bye.